the institute is still functioning from the transit campus. I am happy that the progress has been made towards the expansion through the Leeds additional infrastructure from the NIT Goa and the State Institute of the Hotel Management. However, I must reaffirm here that the Government of Goa is committed to resolving the land allocation issue as earliest, so that the IIT Goa gets its permanent campus it is rightfully deserved. The global institution needs the global standard campus. Goa, with its focus on digital India, smart city, renewable energy, and sustainable development, is an ideal environment for your talent. Through our startup and innovation policies, we are creating the platform for our youth to dream big, build solutions, and contribute meaningfully.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.